Hi, it's me, Zayful Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. As you can see, it's 67% humidity and 48 degrees Fahrenheit in my lab. So, what I want to do today, I want to talk about my forthcoming DIY drill press. Now, this pushes onto there. I just have to tap it on for that to be the actual drill press. Now I want to mount it so this goes up and down, so it'll go up and down, or it could go that way, whichever. And these are my sliders. So I decided to go with 2 sliders to mount it like that. But I need to measure. Now I know this is going to be in millimeters, so it's not going to be that challenging. So let's see, from the outer edge of that hole to the outer edge of that hole. Oh, let's change that to millimeters. Well, that says 11.8, so yeah, that looks like 12 millimeters. So 12 millimeters by 'I'm going to say that's 12 millimeters by 12 millimeters. That looks like it's going to be absolutely square. Just check that. Well, that was 12 millimeters. Let's check this one. Is this one also 12 millimeters? Looks like that could be 12. And that's 12. So 12 millimeters for that. And of course I'll need a plate for this. So let's see. That needs to be 24 millimeters, no, 25 millimeters. You're going to say 25 millimeters. And that is going to be 30 millimeters. So now we've got the measurements, and I can get on and order some steel. Order some pre-drilled steel that I can mount it all on.